Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see some beautiful small kitchen interior design ideas that will maximize space and style. In this video, we will explore clever and creative small kitchen interior design ideas that will help you make the most of your limited kitchen space while adding a touch of style and functionality. Whether you are a city dweller with a compact kitchen or simply looking to optimize your space, these tips and tricks will inspire you to transform your small kitchen into a cozy and efficient kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement inspirations. I hope you like this beautiful design collection. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.